NetSim Cyber is a software platform for simulating cyber attacks on the operational technology of the electrical power grid. It is a digital twin of the cyber physical power system, so you can study an attack and its impact on the grid in a controlled lab, with no field hardware and no risk to live infrastructure. Its focus is OT security, the industrial protocols and field devices that operate the grid. Modern grids run on operational technology protocols that were designed for reliability, not for security. They carry the measurements operators trust and the commands that switch the grid. A single falsified measurement or forged control can trip a breaker, hide a fault, or mislead the control center. Testing these scenarios on a live system is unsafe and usually impossible. NetSim Cyber connects to the switch between the field device and the control center. It captures the live protocol traffic, rewrites it at the field level, and re-injects it through the switch. Every modified packet has its checksums recalculated, so it stays valid and indistinguishable from legitimate traffic. This is protocol-aware mutation, not generic fuzzing. And because it is software, it scales and reconfigures in minutes, with none of the cost or limits of a hardware testbed. It speaks the languages of the grid. IEEE 37.118 synchrophasor measurements, IEC 61850 GOOSE and sampled values, Modbus TCP DNP3, and IEC 60870-5-104 telemetry. For each one, NetSim Cyber understands the frame structure and can alter the exact fields that carry meaning. Every grid protocol has its own attacker console. Bias a synchrophasor. Flip a GOOSE protection signal. Drift a Modbus register past its alarm. Inject false data into DNP3. Or override an IEC 104 measurement. Each attack is point and click. Choose the target, set the value, and launch. The platform manipulates protocol data with intent. It can falsify a measurement, forge a control command, replay a captured frame, or shift a timestamp. Because the rewrite happens at the field level, the change is surgical. One register, one phasor, one status bit, while the rest of the traffic flows untouched. Companion simulators stand in for the real field devices, so every manipulation has a target to act on. Take a synchrophasor stream. A phasor measurement unit reports voltage and current phasors to the control center over IEEE 37.118. NetSim Cyber intercepts those frames and rescales the phasor magnitude in flight. On the operator display, the waveform settles to a value that was never measured. The frame is wire valid, the checksum is correct, and nothing flags it as tampered. Every run is fully observable. In Wireshark, the original and the mutated frames sit side by side, both with valid checksums, so you can see exactly what changed on the wire. The results window collates the network and application metrics, and turns the attack into evidence you can measure and report. NetSim Cyber gives utilities, researchers, and defense teams a safe place to study grid cyber attacks and the defenses against them. Software-based, protocol-accurate, and validated in peer-reviewed research. Learn more at www.tetcos.com/NetSimCyber.